Jai Gurudev to everyone. This is Minakshi, and today I'm taking Maths of Class 8, Lesson number 12, Exponents and Powers, Exercise number 12.2, Part 9. And in this exercise, I'm going to take the first and second question. So let's start with the first question, that is question number 1. Express the following numbers in standard form. So the numbers are given and that number we have to express in a standard form. Standard form means in a exponential form. So the first question it is given 0.0000000085. Now this is given number which we have to represent in a exponential form. So the solution, that is the number it is given 0.000000000085 equals to 8.5 into 10 raised to the power minus 12. Now why we have written it as a 10 raised to the power minus 12? So here this is the given number, and in this number when we have to convert the number in a standard form, that is in the exponential form, then this decimal we have to shift. So here we are shifting this decimal after 8, and if we are placing this decimal after 8 because these are the zeros here, when we are converting in the standard form there is no need to place the decimal in between zero. So wherever non-zero number is given, there we have to place the point, that is a decimal. So here we have shifted the decimal from here to here, and in between that how many numbers are there, means how many digits are there, we have to count. So this is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 and 12. So total number of digits are 12. That's why here we have written 8.5 into 10 raised to the power minus 12. Now why minus 12? Because we have shifted the decimal from left to right, and when we shift the decimal from left to right we will place the exponent as negative. Then the next question, second, 602000000000000. So this is the given number which we have to write in a exponential form. Okay, so here the decimal is not given, so by placing the decimal after first digit we will write this number in a exponential form. So we will write it as 6.02 into 10 raised to the power 15. So notice here in this question the non-zero numbers are given at right side, but here in this question the non-zero numbers are given at the left side, and when we are converting this number in a standard form we have to place the decimal after first digit. So here we will place the decimal after 6, that is first digit, and if we are placing the decimal then we will write it as 6.02 into 10 raised to the power 15. Now why 10 raised to the power 15? As we have placed the 0 after first digit, then after first digit how many digits are there, means where we have kept the decimal, after that how many digits are there, that we have to count. So here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15. So total number of digits are 15. So that's why here we have written 6.02 into 10 raised to the power 15. So here 0 point we will write as it is because it is a non-zero number. Okay, and after that whatever zeros are given that we will not write. So this is how we have to convert a given number in a standard form. Then the next question is question number 3, 4040000.00. Now this is the question where already decimal is given and non-zero digits are given at the right side. So we have to shift this decimal from right to left. So here the solution will be, we will shift this decimal from right to left as we have to convert it in a standard form. So it will be 404,000.00 equals to 4.04 into 10 raised to the power 5. So here we will put the decimal after first digit. So here we kept decimal, that is after 4, and after 4, and in this question already a decimal is given, so we have transport this decimal from right to left, and in between then how many digits are there we have to count. So that is 1 2 3 4 5. So total number of digits are 5. That's why here we have written 4.04 into 10 raised to the power 5. Now you will get the question why here in this first question exponent is written as negative and why here exponent is written as positive. So reason is that when we are shifting the decimal from left to right, we have to write the exponent as negative, and when we are shifting the decimal from right to left, that time we have to write the exponent as positive. So this is the difference. Then next question, that is question number 2. Express the following numbers in usual form. So earlier we have converted in a standard form numbers. Now the numbers are given in a standard form and we have to convert that numbers in a usual form. So the first question is given 3.02 into 10 raised to the power minus 6. So the solution will be, now remember here one thing, here the exponent is given negative. It means the decimal number will write in which the decimal will come at the right side. So here see how we have to convert it. 3.02 into 10 raised to the power minus 6 can be written as 3.02 divided by 10 raised to the power 6. Now why we have written it in a division form? So for that we have a formula that a raised to the power minus m equals to, it will be 1 upon a raised to the power m. Okay, so here when a negative number or a positive number with given with a negative exponent, so we have to convert it in a positive, and for that we have a formula that is a raised to the power minus m equals to 1 upon a raised to the power m. So that's why we have written 10 raised to the power minus 6 as 1 upon 10 raised to the power 6. Now we can write it as 3.02 divided by 1000000. So here as a exponent is given 6, it means we will multiply this 10 6 times. It means we will write here 6 zeros after 1. So that is 1 and 1 2 3 4 5 6 zeros, that is 10 lakh. Now which can be equals to 0.00000302. So here we have converted it in a usual form. The exponent number, the number which is given in the exponential form, we have converted in a usual form. So when we divide 3.02 with 10 lakh, we will get the answer as 0.00000302. Now if you want to convert it directly, so then also you can convert it. So how you will write? So before 3 place 6 zeros. Okay, as here 10 raised to the power 6 is given, so here before 3 we will place 6 zero, that is 1 2 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. Now shift this decimal which is given after 3. So here the decimal is given, shift this decimal from here to here. It means in between that decimal, from where we are shifting this decimal from right to left, in between them 6 digits should be there, because the power is given as 6 and it is -6 given. That's why we are shifting this decimal from right to left. So here see the total digits are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So this is how you can write it directly also. Then the next question it is given, question number 2, 3.61492 into 10 raised to the power 6. So the solution will be, here the decimal is given positive, so here we will solve it as 3.61492 into 10 raised to the power 6, which can be written as 3.61492 into 1000000. So 6 zeros we will place, it will be 10 lakh. So when a decimal is given, when a number is given with negative exponent, that time we have to apply this formula. I don't know this formula is visible to you or not, so I will write it again. That is a raised to the power minus m equals to 1 upon a raised to the power m. So this is the formula we have to use when a exponent is given negative, but here the exponent is given positive, so here we will directly multiply with the 6 raised to the power 6, and 6 raised to the power 6 is equals to 10 lakhs. So now multiply this 3.61492 with 10 lakhs. So here we will get it as 3614920 0.00000. So here when we multiply this number with 10 lakh, so we will get this as a solution. And here the decimal is placed before 5 digits. So count here 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So before 5 digits place the decimal. So when we multiply it with 10 lakh, we will place the decimal also before 5 digits. So here where we place the decimal, after that total digits are 5. So whenever a decimal given is before 0, means after 0, after decimal all the zeros are given, then that 0 no need to write. So which can be written as 3614920. So this is the usual form of this exponential number. So thank you for watching this video. I hope these both the questions are understood by you properly. Thank you so much.